They should probably repair that. If the rooms are anything like the lobby, they should cut their rates.
Want it by the hour or for the whole night? Oh,
Beauty.
I work here, okay? I work the front desk. It's to help pay rent. So, now you know. I know I should have told somebody, but Beast would lose his mind if you knew. Beast is a proud man, Bigby. He wants to do right by me, and he just couldn't handle it if he knew I had to do this so we don't get evicted. All of our friends live at the Woodlands. He'd be mortified.
You should really tell Beast. He's worried about you.
I will. I just need to in my own time. By the way, thanks for covering for me. So, what are you doing here? Oh, you have a key.
Someone else was murdered last night.
I heard.
The victim was someone who worked at the Pudding and Pie, Lily. She, come around here ever?
Oh, yes, the troll. I did see her. I mean, you know, we never really spoke, but she came off a tad intimidating.
Ever see Lily with someone here? Maybe on a job.
Sometimes, but nobody I've recognized. I haven't worked here that long, though.
How about a room register? Or someone named Mr. Smith?
That's all we get here, Smiths, Jones, or Johnsons. I think the
마이크
last
꺼져
ones are
있었네.
jokes.
그러면 페이스를 알고 있었니?
Ever meet a girl named Faith? Or just maybe hear that name?
I might have. I don't know. By the end of the night, it's kind of a blur with all the names. Tara, Brandy, Amber, Heather. Sorry.
백설을 본
We've
적이 있어.
seen Snow White down here. Or maybe somebody glamored as her.
You know, it's funny. I did see someone who I thought looked a lot like her, but she didn't say anything when she saw me, even though she knew that I saw her. I just assumed it wasn't Snow and went about my business.
I talked to Tweedledee earlier today. He mentioned you in passing. Do you know him? Or his brother?
I took out a loan for back pay. It was like our third notice. And ever since then, those annoying freaks have been pestering me for the money, plus interest.
Why take out a loan from those two?
맞아.
It was from the crooked man.
근데 여기서 일하고 있다고?
You don't know how desperate I was, Bigby. I had nowhere else to go.
Look, if this ever happens again, come see me or Snow first, all right?
I tried.
그냥 버리네.
Wait. It'll be better if anyone sees you that they at least see you with me, so they know that I didn't let you just wander around by yourself.
같이 가는 거구나.
5 minutes, please.
We'll see, Beauty.
Just
맞아,
be ready to
5분
act like I'm trying to
갖고는
kick you out.
조사 안 될 것
That
같은데.
won't be hard.
Listen, Bigby. I assume you'll be filing some kind of an official report or something. Which is fine, it's just that I was wondering if I need to be in it. Do you have to mention my name? I mean, it's not like Beast would ever see your report. It's just, well, you never know.
You're asking me to lie.
Not lie, just not include my name. Just say you talked to the clerk or something. You'll do what you have to. I just want you to know that that would help me. Well, here we are. Which one was it?
200 몇 호였지? 204번이죠. 204번인데 잠깐만. 오케이. 그런 걸 기대한 건 아닌데. 문 열어볼 수도 있네? 보는 건 뭐죠? 문 열어보자. 잠겼고.
You have keys to these rooms?
I thought you had a key.
Not to this one.
Hold on, Bigby. I can't just let you go into any room you want.
알겠어.
I mean, what if someone's in there? You can't just go barging in.
아무 말도 하지 마.
Fine.
에? 열어줘? Hey, what the fuck?
Sorry.
Jesus Christ, you're gonna get me fired. I need this job.
알겠어. 미안.
Sorry about that.
하지만 못 참죠? 다 들어야죠.
This one.
아니잖아.
I really don't think I should.
다 열어 그냥. 궁금해. 이게 204호 옆방이긴 해.
See anything?
Nope.
구현은 안 해놨네. 못 참는데. 근데 이것도 다.
This one next.
I really don't think I should. Satisfied?
Yep.
다
This is going to take a lot longer.
조사의 일원입니다.
Remember, you're not even supposed to be up here.
다 조사의 일원이에요.
207. Open this one.
207호.
Well, that's weird. This key is supposed to open every room in the building, but it's not working.
Beauty!
Ah, shit.
Beast?
Bigby? How could you do this to me?
No, sweetie, no. Wait a minute.
How could you do this? We've been together
아니야,
through
네가
everything.
생각하는 그런 거
I took care
아니야,
of
이
you.
새끼야.
I love.
It's not what you think. Please.
You're cheating on me with him.
No, Beast. I promise I'm not. I'm helping him. That's all.
I'll bet. I'm sure you help each other just great. I know what this place is. I know what goes on here.
That's not
지금
what I
수사 중이야.
meant.
This is a murder investigation. She's helping me.
Stop lying to me. What the fuck is wrong with you? She's my wife.
Beast, listen to me. There's nothing going on. I'm not.
Hey!
Bastard! I guess I finally see you for who you are!
Stop it.
You told me you hadn't seen her, you fucking liar! You've been sleeping with her this whole time!
뭔
Listen to your
개소리야.
wife. Just calm down and...
Beast. What the hell do you
느려.
think you're doing? You aren't even listening to me.
She's my wife, Bigby!
알아.
I told you.
너 지금 이성을 잃었어. 비스트야 이거 아니야 이거 아니야. 아! 이럴 필요가 있어?
Bigby, no! Don't hurt him!
알겠어. 딱. 참 상황이 애매하게 돼버렸고.
You ruined everything!
Jeez!
뭐야? 에?
Shit, Bigby.
What have you done?
What is this?
뭐야 이게?
Look what you did to the door! You can't just act like this whenever
Stand
you-
back. You don't want to see this.
쉣.
Beauty, stay in the hall.
What? Why? What's
안
going on?
돼.
Oh my god.
Don't touch anything.
Is this?
Lily met her client here, Mr. Smith, whoever he
아
is.
맞아 204호가 아니라 270호에서
Must have happened
만났구나.
right here.
204호는 들어갈 필요가
Last night.
없었네.
Yeah.
I was on shift last night.
On shift? Beauty, what?
I'm not a prostitute, you idiot. I work the front desk.
So that's...
Yeah.
Still, this is no place for someone like you.
맞아 이제
I
좀
mean,
진정이
look,
됐니?
Can we please not talk about this?
Was anyone acting suspicious? Maybe moving a heavy piece of luggage, or he got the body out of here somehow.
Jesus Christ! No, I didn't see anything like that. It just seemed like a totally normal night. How is that even possible? There's so much blood.
Go lock the front door.
그냥
Keep people out
그냥
of the
여기서
hallway.
피를 다 뺀 거
I
같은데.
need you to be sure no one comes in here. This is a crime scene, okay?
Just do what he says. I'll explain later, okay?
그래도 상황을 봐서 좀 다행이다. 좀 진정이 됐니?
Bigby, what kind of a person could do something like this?
That's exactly what I'm about to try to find out.
한번 봅시다. 카세트 플레이어?
Do all the rooms have these same clocks with the built-in cassette player?
맞아
I
있었어.
think so, yes.
조사해봐. 지문 같은 게 없겠지? 12시.
Looks like she was lying down when she was killed. Flowers were already here.
How do you know that?
Blood pattern. Also, I'd say the body was dragged off the foot of the bed. There.
The body, Jesus. You could say she. Poor girl. I just can't even imagine.
아 쉣. 동화책이
I
있네.
can't believe this. What is that?
It's a book about Snow White. Or about the Mundy version of her story, anyway.
The whole
백설?
book is about her?
Yeah.
백설에 대한 고증을 지키려고 이런 걸 다
Why
찾았나
is
봐.
she in a glass coffin?
This is the part where she's in a deep sleep, but they think she's dead.
What's it mean? Why mark the page where she's sleeping?
침대를 관에 일치시켰다고.
I think he made up the bed to match the coffin in the picture. Flowers, too. He'd have had Lily lie down just like this.
You
아,
mean
이거 뒤에
just
꽃도
before?
있고.
In the story, that's when someone comes to kiss her. That's our Mr. Smith.
This is creepy. The coffin and the weird fixation on Snow. What the hell is wrong with this guy?
백설 집착남. 오케이. 다 본 것 같고.
It's a huff and puff.
I thought you were the only one who smoked that crap brand.
Apparently not. He brought wine.
Classy.
약간 약간 고상한 걸 좋아하지만 돈이 없는 사람. For my arrival. 아, 이 설마?
Someone's been rough with this dress. It's torn.
Oh no, she must have been wearing it. He killed her and then he took it back off?
No, there's no blood on it. It must have been torn some other time.
What are you thinking?
여장을 했다고? 뭔 개?
This is the same dress as the one in the book about snow. I think Smith was dressing Lily up in it to recreate the snow from the book.
You're right. It's the same dress. It fits. He's acting out scenes from the book. That poor girl. She couldn't have known. She probably just needed the money. She could have been anyone. How did she wind up here? I mean, not exactly here, but just how does a person...
It sounds like there was a series of choices involved. I'm sure she'd have done things differently if she knew where things were headed.
Yeah.
좀 더 조사해보자.
She must have been so scared.
아, 카세트 넣어보자. 진짜 미친 광경인데.
Bigby, this? I think I heard this music. Last night, it was playing pretty loudly for a while and then stopped in the middle. I didn't think twice about it at the time. I mean, you hear all kinds of things around here, and I guess I've already gotten used to blocking them out.
Could have covered up the sound of the murder.
아, 살해 순간을 덮으려고.
Maybe she didn't see it coming. Damn it, get it together, Beauty. Be strong.
How can I find out who rented this room?
Find whoever has the key? I'm pretty sure this one must be held long-term.
장기간
And
뒤졌구나.
we don't keep a register or anything. This place is intentionally kind of anonymous.
I keep hearing that. Is there anything else you can tell me about last night? Anything that sticks out in your mind?
Sorry, no, it just seemed like every other night does. That's exactly what's bothering me. From now on, I'll just be down there imagining this.
아, 그니까 들어오지 말라니까.
I'd better not find out you're hiding something from me about all this.
What the hell is wrong with you? I'm not involved in this.
아, 연관이 있다는 게 아니라.
Please, just do whatever you need to do and let's get out of here.
이제 진짜 없나? 여기 뭐가 있다. 여기 뭐가 있어. 야, 앞으로 좀 가봐.
Do you smell something?
No,
사과네.
just apple.
사과까지 재현을 했어?
Oh no, there's more? What? What now?
야, 가만히 있어 보세요.
It's got a single bite taken out of it, like in Snow's story.
Oh no, do you think it was poisoned?
It wasn't. I'd have smelled that. I think it's just a prop. It's here because they were acting out the scene in the book.
Of course, that makes perfect sense. He's just acting out another part of the book. God, I can see the whole picture now. It all goes together like you said. This creep put that girl in a Snow White dress and recreated the whole story from the book with the apple and the deep sleep and everything. You're a better detective than I thought you'd be.
Thanks.
So he planned it
이걸
all out. He had
장난한 거 아니야?
all the details noted down. Only then, when it comes time to kiss her and wake her up.
Yeah.
I hope you're just about through. I don't really want to stay in here any longer.
뭐야 이거? 봉투.
Are those pictures of the dead girl? How do you know?
I'm in this one. It was taken last winter.
작년경.
Oh no.
꽤나
Bigby.
오랫동안 범죄를
This kind of
계획했나?
stalking, it doesn't just stop by itself. Trust me, I know about this firsthand. He'll keep trying to get closer and closer.
진짜 백서를
His
주우십니다.
stand-in for Snow is gone now, so
The next step closer. What is it?
왜?
Crane.
에. 안돼. 거울한테는 왜 복수하는 거야? 저 어이가 없네.
He could be after you now.
Good. I am dying to get my hands on that disgusting weasel.
I'm really starting to like you, Sheriff. You're not afraid to be a complete bastard.
Obviously, there will have to be some changes.
Hello, Bigby.
Take care of it, Bigby, or I'll take care of it for you.
Jesus Christ, Bigby. Is that you?
오케이, 플레이어의 선택. 같이 가자고 한 사람이 91%네. 계속 때렸었나요? 77%가 계속 때렸네요. 31%의 플레이어가 얘를 때렸다. 64%의 플레이어가 대화를 선택했다. 상당히 사람들이 폭력을 싫어하는구나. 오케이. 다음 에피소드로 가봅시다.
Our stories used to be so simple. We had a beginning, a middle, and an end. But ever since we moved to this awful city, everything's gotten so confused.
Look, I didn't kill anyone. And I'm supposed to just believe you. Snow. I just want you to be careful. I almost lost you once, and...
I'm not yours to lose. I'm not going to be an errand girl for Crane anymore.
She looks like Holly.
It's not Holly, it's her sister Lily.
She was hooking to pay down debt. Eventually, the only people she owed were at her work. You know, that shithole club, the Puddin' and Pie.
My name is Nerissa.
Well, Nerissa, I've got some questions. The open arms.
Oh my god! What is it?
It's Crane.
에피소드 3. 크레인 잡기. 크레인을 잡아 족쳐야 되는 그런 순간까지 와버렸네.
I'll kill him. I'll rip him apart.
Crane? Ugh, God, you think you know a person. Bigby, you have to tell her.
I know!
맞아.
What's going on? What did you find up there? You know, other than the...
I just need to find Snow.
Why? What's going on?
아 전화 안 받아?
Crane's been... Whoa, Bigby, calm down.
아 다 부시지 마.
Everything's going to be fine, okay? It's going to be fine.
Will someone please explain this to me?
Crane has been stalking Snow White. The room is covered in evidence.
That perverted little fucker might be after Snow. I need to find her right now.
Okay, it's going to be okay.
이게 맞지?
Where did you see her last? Did she say where she was going?
She took Holly to the business office to prepare for the funeral.
Lily's funeral?
Yeah.
How do you know?
I was just at the Trip Trap, and I heard Gren telling some folks about a funeral at the Buckingham
the
Bridge.
Trip Trap? Are you drinking?
When? Right now. They were on their way out.
둘 다 비밀이 많구만 이
빅비?
두 분은.
Wait.
What?
Snow's been through a lot. There are things she doesn't talk about. Just please be careful when you tell her. And you should tell her. But
I know.
no, you don't know. You know how you felt when you saw that picture? Well, it's going to be much worse for her. Just remember that.
진짜 계속 스토킹하고 있었던 거야. 근데 그러면 크레인은 그 마법 거울로
I'm honored to be asked to speak to you.
장례식이구나.
She met everyone spoke. Lily had many friends, but few fables she was truly close to. If you were here, then you were part of a very special circle. People she trusted and cared for. I won't offend you by claiming one day that the pain of losing Lily will
일단
ever
지금은
subside.
괜찮잖아. 아직 크레인이 없으니까.
I know as well as you that it will never subside. But I also know that the memory of Lily will sustain as well.
Your
And
Highness.
it will, in time,
Oh, Sheriff.
equal in strength to our
I'm
mortal
sorry,
enemies. And it
I
is
didn't
in
see
that
you there.
spirit that I
릴리랑
write
아는
Did you
사이야.
know the deceased?
what you've all been
Lily?
so grateful to
Oh,
share.
no,
Your
not
memories
really.
of her.
I just came because it,
Stubborn
I don't know,
and
felt like a thing I should do, I
rash
guess.
and thoughtful.
I was angry
For
at
she
first.
carried a torch for the
When I heard
old
that Lily
ways,
was getting a
for
funeral.
tradition, for
Holly was getting
pageantry.
closure. I wanted that
Most
too.
of all, it
And I
seems
wanted it
how
for Faith.
Lily
But
loved,
then I
dearly
remembered
loved her
Faith
friends
lived a
and
story
family.
Lily never did. She
loved
had her
being
adventure.
loved.
She got to live in the light of forever after with me.
I never met Lily
For a while.
From,
So let Lily have a better finish.
I know in my heart
It all evens out.
she would have liked to
in the
be
end.
And now
None of
we
this
have
was your fault,
a moment of
Lawrence.
silence.
It
Thank
wasn't my fault, but I didn't stop it. Take care of things, okay?
그래도 자살 안 했네. 왜 그때 자살하려고 했어 그래?
Bigby, is everything okay?
No, not you.
Holly, it's...
He wasn't fucking invited.
Holly, wait.
He has no right to be here. Not after what he did.
Holly, I'm sorry, but I had to come.
You throw my sister down the witching well, and you have the nerve to show your face here? After you lie? After you
내가
promise me?
우물에 던졌다고?
Holly, wait. That was Crane. Just Crane. He disposed of Lily's body before Bigby could do anything about it.
아, 이 크레인 새끼 씨.
I'm telling you the truth.
Don't cover for him.
But this genuinely wasn't his fault.
You can't tell me Bigby gives a shit about this.
좀 더 들어봐.
Holly, it's gonna be okay.
Crane's a fucking prick, so this doesn't surprise me.
Hey, what do you know? We actually agree on something.
Bigby cares, Holly. He's trying to help. And I'm sure he has a very good reason for being here. But this one isn't on him.
잠깐만 내
Why are
말을
you
좀
here
들어주세요.
anyway? And don't say it's because you care about this.
Everything okay?
I'm here to talk to Snow.
Oh, really?
Yes,
이거-
Holly, this is serious.
이게 맞긴 한데.
Okay, look. Bigby and I are going to have a little chat. Far away
얘네들한테도
from the
그걸 알렸어야
ceremony, all right?
되지 않았을까?
Look, Holly, I know how this must...
No, you don't know how this must feel. You have no idea. Don't fuck anything up. Don't bother anybody. And when the first sign of trouble comes, and it will come because you're a goddamn walking trap for it, I want you the fuck out of here. You hear me?
I just want to get Lily's killer, Holly, nothing more.
Let's just continue, okay?
This is such total fucking bullshit.
Let's go, Holly. It's your turn to talk.
아, 이 목에 리본 단 거 전부 다.
This better be wildly important. It's been hard enough making a connection with these people. When you pull this kind of stuff, it just resets the clock.
Lily was Crane's prostitute. I followed a lead to this shithole motel, the Open Arms. Crane had a room there, and he's been taking prostitutes, or at the very least Lily, and making her look like you while he was, you know.
This is... I don't even know what to say right now. I really don't. I'm just trying everything I can right now to not picture it, to not picture him.
We should go.
You're sure this is what happened? This is what he's been doing?
맞아, 그
Because
씹새끼가
please,
그랬다고.
Bigby, don't confuse things. Deposing Crane would be the next step. And if we get this wrong, it would mean more than our jobs. We'd get kicked out of Fabletown for messing all of this up so badly.
이거 좀 보세요.
You took a cab here, right?
Yeah.
I'll drive.
Snow?
Nerissa? What is it?
I'm sorry, but Holly's asking for you.
Are they starting the burn?
Yes. Everyone who spoke should really be present for this part. She's kind of distraught. You're not leaving yet, are you?
아, 왜
2
이런
minutes. I don't mean to be,
No, I understand.
It's just that something's come up.
No, I get it. Take your time.
It won't take long.
2분이면 괜찮잖아.
How'd
내
it go?
눈앞에서 하는데.
At the motel, did you find anything? No?
It was Crane's room. But you knew that already, right?
그러네, 얘는 알고 있었겠네.
Nerissa! Yeah, coming!
Constable? Wait, easy
아,
now,
씨, 이
girl.
새끼.
You know how this goes. The first thing in a visit, you say, how do you do? How do you do? That way, it's proper.
Now is really not the time for whatever you Jergovs are planning to do.
Well, isn't that the thing of it? Plans. Except it isn't our plans you should be concerning yourself with. We'll snip to the chase for all sakes. A little bird told us that you're fitting to go
아,
after
얘네
Crane.
보스가 그럼
And you
크레인이야?
see, we have an interest in that
그건 아니고.
particular boy. So you leave Crane alone, and we'll leave you alone. Just take a little vacation is all. Don't even have to go anywhere. Just sit in your office and whistle to heaven for a few short days.
You have 3 seconds to fuck off before this goes to a place you don't want it to.
Oh, I don't have my stopwatch on me.
이 새끼들이 진짜.
So what's it gonna be? We have a deal? You leave Crane alone and we leave you to yours? Brother, speak your mind. Fastly now. What's it gonna be?
Just don't hurt anyone, D.
That don't sound like a yes to me. Always wanting to do things the fun way.
Ladies, gentlemen, invertebrates, please, rest easy. This is not...
What the hell is going on?
What's happening?
Very sorry to impose, but we only had a deal to work out with Bigby. And we're unhappy to report that things did not go as smoothly as planned.
Bigby, what is he talking about?
Never you mind that, it ain't any of your...
What deal?
They want me to leave Crane alone.
Crane?
Oh, now you shouldn't have done that, old boy. Really. That wasn't right, telling everyone our dealings.
개빡쳤다
What did
진짜.
I tell you? What did I say?
Ollie?
Think you motherfuckers could come here uninvited? You think you could just fucking interrupt Lily's funeral?
Calm down, darling. It was just a simple business transaction.
You fucking freaks are not getting away with this.
Holly, don't move!
Yeah, listen to your lady, love. Things don't have to turn sloppy now.
Ollie, let me handle this.
Yeah, let's spare all the fuss.
It's just a
dead
진짜.
whore.
I'm gonna kill you! Holly!
I got it done.
새끼가 진짜 미쳤나. 선택을 잘못해. 에이 설마 죽은 건 아니겠지? 아 진짜 씹새끼들이네.
I did as well as I could to take out the buckshot, but there's still some shards left embedded in your shoulder. They'll eventually worm their way out on their own, but until they do, you're going to be sore.
Bigby, Dr. Swinehart was appointed
좀 잘해봐.
Fabletown physician for a reason.
It's okay. There's only one thing you have to take away from all this. Take it easy.
달걀 새끼들 다 같이
Don't go looking
죽여버려야지.
for any more fights. Keep strain off your heart.
How's everyone else? They all make it?
They're fine.
Okay.
I had everyone that got wounded sent home. Holly refused to let me see where she lived, so I left her and Grendel back at her bar with a dose of juniper and spring water. They're Titans, Bigby. They'll be fine. Just remember what I said. The stitches won't hold up if you continue to act like you normally do. Everything in moderation. And eat more chicken. Your blood pressure's through the proverbial roof.
Look, I'm not the one who creates the situations. I'm just the one who has to deal with them.
So you say.
크레인 새끼.
Business office. I know, I'll have to call you back. The town is starting to find out.
Well, I'll leave you two to it then. Miss White? Bigby?
So, to recap,
Crane watched me through the magic mirror uncover his room at the Open Arms, and then he smashed it so we couldn't use it ourselves to go after him. And we know this because Buffkin was drinking in the rafters. That about cover it?
and once he puts all the pieces back together, it'll be easy to catch Crane.
뭔가 느낌이 한 조각을
Guess
갖고
that's
갔을
the
것 같아.
plan, currently. But I don't know.
We don't have time to wait for the mirror. Crane could be getting on a train right now.
Well, I don't want to just go running off into the night without some direction. What the hell is going on? Just... I don't know what the Tweedles get out of this. I don't know if Crane sent them. I don't know if... I mean, this is gonna sound crazy, but do you really think Crane did it? Everything points to him. I get it, but do you really think he killed those women? Because it's incomprehensible to me.
He killed them. And he sent Dean Dunn to slow me down.
He was a conniver, a coward, a liar. And I'll always hate him for that. And I'll hate him for how he held me in his thoughts. But murdering prostitutes? Ow! Everything okay over there?
Yes, Miss White. I just cut myself on a piece of the glass. Nothing to worry about.
친구야.
Thanks for tonight, by the way. That could have gone really terribly. I mean, even worse than it did. I'm glad you were there.
I just feel bad for Holly, really.
Yeah. Time heals everything eventually. At least, I hope so, for her sake. Can I, ask you a question? It's kind of personal. And I don't want to offend you, but after tonight, it's on my mind.
Snow, let's just keep this...
Oh, okay.
Guys? We have a problem.
What is it?
I can't finish the mirror. It's missing a piece.
이럴 줄 알았어, 새끼.
What do you mean,
크레인이
missing a
갖고
piece?
갔네.
Yes, it's,
Crane must have taken a shard with him.
Oh, I can't believe this.
I saw Crane pick something up after he smashed it. I'm sorry, I didn't realize what it was until now.
The mirror can't work unless it's whole.
Well, that's not entirely true.
Or what, Buffkin? What? We sit around and wait until it mends itself? We have no idea how long that will take. We're just gonna have to do this the hard way.
I'm just saying, waiting is an option.
No.
기다리는
We
건
can't
절대
depend on the mirror.
What exactly is the hard way?
We'll look through his things, his desk, everything. He had to have left something that tells us where he's going. He's a neat freak, but he was never that smart.
Smart enough to take a piece of the mirror. We can still solve this ourselves. I know
Never
that
mind that. Come help me look.
원숭이. 원숭아, 그래 말하고 싶었던 게 뭔데?
Hi, Mr. Bigby. I can still help you catch Crane, you know.
Oh, yeah?
Yes. I saw him jump on the telephone before he left. He called up somebody. He said he needed to see his witch, or that he would need to get to the witch for that. Whoever that is.
His witch?
Yes, it sounded like the one he got his snow glamours from.
You didn't see anything else, did you?
No, not especially.
Look, the whole mirror thing, it's not your fault, all right?
You mean it?
Yeah. Why didn't you try and stop him?
What do you want me to do, yank on his hair? I'm only 3 feet tall. There are limits here.
Okay.
I'll just see if I can do anything about this.
맞아.
You do that.
찾아봐.
Buffkin says that he overheard Crane call somebody before he left. Sounds like he's going to see a witch, or his witch. His glamour witch.
Wait, really? None of the 13th floor witches would allow that sort of thing. They must be somewhere in the city. It's something, at least.
Find anything?
No, but there's enough notes and stuff here to take all night. Maybe check that stuff there. Did you look through that stuff yet?
아니요. 보겠어요. 제가 요청한 예산쟁에게 대한 소식은 있습니까? 대장장이 웨이랜드.
What
207호가
is
여기
it?
있었네.
It's the key to his room at the open arms.
이걸
You
놓고
still
가.
haven't told me what was in there. I want to know. I need to know.
A lot of blood and flowers.
I keep thinking back. I keep replaying moments in my head. Interactions with him when he'd catch me in the elevator or bump into me outside. There's only so much you can repress, you know?
Don't worry, Snow. We'll get him.
멀리 못 갔을 겁니다.
Come on, let's keep looking.
아마도. 아보카도님께 제가 지금 편지를 쓰는 이유는 난방 시스템 좀 고치러 와주세요. 꼬마 파랑 올림? 아 피노키오구나. 피노키오 동화 속에 나오는 그 파란색인가? 크레인 씨에게 204호에서 일어났던 사건 이후 내가 204호를 안 봤는데 그걸 봤어야 됐나봐. 아니구나. 토드가 보낸 거구나.
Did Crane ever do any work?
Only when Cole was around.
일이 하나도 안 돼 있는데? 잠겨 있나?
There's a page here that was torn out.
아마 이게
Oh, yeah?
마녀 부분을 꽂다는 느낌이.
Buffkin, do you know what was here?
It's a ring, at least. Every magical item not retained in the armory is assigned to someone in Fabletown. It must be this witch he is going to see.
Yeah, I only recently heard about this meeting. Why didn't you mention this before?
No one asked me.
Buffkin!
And I'm hungover. I'm sorry. He set the meeting at 2 a.m. tonight.
What's going on? Is the mirror fixed yet?
Bluebeard, this isn't the time.
Is the mirror fixed or isn't it? You
I
called me
called just to see if you knew where Crane could be, and that was it, okay? And I'm sorry I said anything more than that.
Well, you did, and I know. The cat's out of the bag. So, can we find the dull pervert or not?
No, it can't be fixed. It's missing a piece.
This is none of Bluebeard's business, Bigby.
None of my business? Crane's the murderer. He escaped. It seems he spoiled your every attempt at locating him. And now it's none of my business?
We don't know if he's the murderer.
Oh, please. Of course he is.
Look, this just isn't the time. He took a piece of the mirror, so we can't use it.
The only thing we know is that Crane's going to see a witch at 2 o'clock.
AM or PM?
AM.
Listen, Bluebeard, you're not a part of this.
I don't think you're in any position to turn away help.
What do you know about Crane anyway?
That he has the stones to kill prostitutes like any common sex-frightened serial killer and not face a real challenge.
Look, we know that Crane is going to see a
도움이 안
witch,
되네.
and it's to acquire a magic ring.
What's the ring?
We don't know what it does or who it's assigned to since Crane tore its page out of the book.
This farce was your ridiculous idea for a plan. I mean, who put you in charge in the first place?
Fixing the mirror was the most logical
You're a
thing.
secretary! He's the sheriff! And none of you were chosen to run this office! Who elected you to make
사무실
these decisions?
우두머리가
Nobody, but
크레인
Who
that
아니야?
elected her to spend my money?
Well, I've been doing that unofficially for years now.
Unofficially is not officially.
Snow can obviously handle this, so let's drop it.
Well then, excuse me for having the Commonwealth in mind.
All right, let's just look on the bright side. We know Crane is going to see the witch that's been supplying him black market glamours.
Thanks to me.
And that he'll be there at 2. So that gives us a few short hours to find out who it is and where they live and get them all at once.
And a few shorter hours the more you babble about it.
We haven't been the ones babbling.
Yeah. Just point in the direction you want me to check first.
Since Lily used the glamours, she'd have known who the witch was. And I don't think Holly's burned her things yet. It would probably have the address or a phone number or something.
And Bigby is free to go there if he likes. But I think the question you should be asking is just what do the two Tweedles know about this?
It doesn't matter what they know. After tonight, they'd never go to their office.
They're not smart enough to try and go anywhere
The
else.
Trip Trap is the better option to track the witch down. That has to be our focus.
아씨, 이거 못 눌렀어.
I don't really care what you two do. I'm going to his apartment.
What? You can't just go up there.
And why the hell not?
We already looked for the key, remember? I don't know where it is.
Then I'll pick the blasted lock! I've wasted enough time waiting for the mirror to find him. I won't waste any more.
You just can't go up there alone, all right?
I've no interest in nicking his drapes, my dear, if that's what concerns you.
What concerns me is you traipsing through possible evidence.
Oh, now it's evidence. Before you had no interest, and now it's a crime scene.
Bluebeard, you're not going anywhere.
Really now? And what? You gonna stand here and babysit me? While the rest of your leads evaporate into mist?
We have to find the witch, Bluebeard, since that's where he's going.
Or the sniveling weasel chickened out.
아,
Never
근데
win
블루비어가
anywhere. And is upstairs right
그렇게
now
엄청
in his
나쁜 것
pitiful
같진 않고.
penthouse, crafting a fort out of couch cushions. Look, this is how a smart person would do it. So this is how we're going to do it. Wherever you go, I'll go to the other.
I don't like you going anywhere unsupervised. He's up to something. I don't know what it is, but we don't have the time to really worry about it now. Where are you gonna go, Bigby?
푸른 수염도 있긴 해야 될 것 같아.
So you leave Crane alone, and we'll leave you alone.
I'd love to join you, but there's some business I need to attend to.
No, I'm better off dealing with things alone. I don't need sympathy and I don't need shit.
증거를 볼 거냐? 홀레이바에 가서 증거를 볼 거냐? 크레인 아파트를 조사할 거냐? 아니면 D 사무소로 가서 증거를 볼 거냐? 근데 내 생각은 일단 D 사무소에 가도 뭐 엄청난 게 나올 것 같진 않고 크레인한테 집중하는 게 맞는 것 같아.
Crane's place is right here. I should check that out first.
Perfect. And I'll go to those two imbeciles' office.
그래라.
Crane's penthouse number is 1903. Let me know what you find. I hope you know what you're doing.
오늘은 여기까지.